Okay, I got stopped on the homework from page 468. It was 41 through 48. I already did 41 and 42 on the video that was labeled 32.5 polar form. The notes are on this, and then I started the homework 41 and 42. So this is where I left off. So 43. So if you're multiplying two polar form vectors, you are going to multiply your R1 and R2, and you're going to add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus I sine add angle 1 to angle 2. So in this problem, you'd have 7 times 8 out front. And then inside you have cosine of the first angle, 90, plus the second angle, 135. And then it's the same angles over here, 90 and 135. So this is 56, multiply the 7 and 8. Then it's cosine of 225 plus I sine 225. Yes, you can.
Okay. Then what do we do for this part?
You can put those in the calculator too. But you can also look and those just cancel. The property says if you have a base and it matches the base of the logarithm, their inverses of the 12s cancel, and your answer is 144.
Okay. And then for these ones, do we just put it like 5 to up?
Yep, 5 raised. Just put it in. And get the answer. So 44. I'm just writing the problem down. Sorry for the silence. These are a little long, aren't they? So we're going to multiply the numbers out front. So we're going to multiply 3 and 5. That's 15. Then we're going to add the angles, 130 and 15. So that's going to be cosine of 145 plus I sine 145. That's it. 45. 45 is 4 cosine of 300 plus I sine 300. Now you could just distribute this and do it right on your calculator, but if I want exact values, it says calculate the value of each of the following, write the product in polar form. Alright, well, cosine of 30 is 1/2. And sine of 30 is negative radical 3 over 2. So if you distribute this, that would be 2 plus the 2 cancels with the 4. That becomes negative 2 radical 3 I. Or just 2 minus 2 radical 3 I is probably better. 46. So this one's a little easier. Let's see. Cosine of 45 is radical 2 over 2. Radical 2 over 2I. So it's 11 radical 2 over 2 plus 11 radical 2 over 2I. $47. Z equals 3 cosine of 90 plus I sine of 90. It says draw a vector to represent each complex number on the complex plane. So we want to go 3 rings. 3 rings. 90 degrees is straight up. So we're going to go 3 rings up. We're going to put a point right there. And you're going to draw a vector. And that is the vector that represents that polar form number. 48. We're going to use something with 5 rings because it's got a 5 out front. This one's 5 cosine of 150. I sine of 150. So 150 is about right. Like right here, so it's in the 30 range. So that's what appears. It's negative, right? So 150 is like right here, so you gotta go 5 rings. 2, 3, 4, 5. I forgot I was trying to do work. You don't even have to do work, you're just trying to draw it. That's your answer.